Wala pong malinis po sa atin. All of us are smelly. All of us are stinky. Pero sa habag at kabutihan ng Panginoon, ayaw kanyang manatiling nangangamoy. The fountain of the Lord is already open. And He is talking to you right now. Lapit ka sa fountain ni God. Walang size-size lang, ganda ng fountain. Pero pag hindi natin in-apply at lumapit, baliwala rin po ito. Ganun po kabuti si God. He is talking to you personally. Talking to you personally. Ano man ang sitwasyon mo sa buhay, may pinagdadaanan ka, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. But remember, God is an all-powerful God. He made the heaven and the earth. And He is the God that winds obey, that water obey or rain. Yung pinagdadaanan mo, kapatid, kapit lang. Kapit tayo kay God. Sa ating pong pagtatapos, we always have this practice to come in the altar of the Lord. Kaya kapatid, if you are the one that God has talked to you right now, huwag kang mayang lumapit, kumatok sa puso ni God. Come. Kung may alinlangan sa iyong puso, kung meron kang bigatin, lapit tayo kay God. Come.